Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our mobility and wheelchair accessible Dodge Grand Caravan, and I'll get right to the conversion. This is a side entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. It's got the manual sliding door. It's got the ramp here, it's spring assisted, so I can actually pull the ramp out using just one finger there. Ramp itself is 30 inches wide. Coming inside the van is over 56 inches. Inside the van has over 58 inches of headroom. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. This is a former government vehicle that's used for transporting citizens of a local county. It's got that carbon fiber floor, very easy to clean. Back seats look about brand new, very good condition. It's got your tie down points. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. It's got two removable front seats, so you could actually remove a seat, put a wheelchair up there. You could also put a chair back here, so you can actually get two wheelchairs at a time in this van. It has the rear air, headliner's nice and clean. The dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. It's got the steering wheel controls, so whether it's you or an employee or your family, eyes stay on the road. Safety is very important. Keep your eyes on the road. It's got the auxiliary plug there, dual climate control. The driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be a second temperature. You can even have a third temperature in the rear, so you can have 3 different climates in this van. It's got the cup holders there. So once everybody's secure, got the wheelchair tied down if it's in here. Come back out, reverse the process. Very easy to do. Goes right up with ease. Door slides shut, and you're ready to roll. These manual ramps and doors are super nice, very low cost to maintain. I tell our customers, if you can pick a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can lift one of these ramps. It's got the alloy wheels. Tires are all in fair condition. They're certainly don't have any wires sticking out of them or anything like that. But they're going to need to be replaced here before long. If you want us to replace the tires on your dime, I can get very affordable tire prices. I'm a dealer. Let me know. The rear windows are tinted. Give you privacy year-round. Keep you nice and cool in the summertime. So overall, pretty clean van. I did notice a little break here on this chrome piece, so I hope you see by our videos. My goal is to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. I do see a small crease here in this door. Looks like someone got a little door ding on it. That's to be expected with vehicles, you know, of this age, but overall it's pretty clean. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Of course, this was a government vehicle. They didn't allow smoking in here. They did not allow pets, you know, other than service animals. Very clean interior. Same on the driver's side. Very clean. You can see the miles at 130,000 and some change. When I go to turn the vehicle on, it does have the keyless entry. Comes with one key. If you want us to get additional keys at your cost, let us know. We can do that. Van fires up first time, every time. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no ABS, no airbags, so no dummy lights on it. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Before I do that, we tested all the mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, passenger mirror over there. That mirror works. This is not some van you come look at and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business, folks. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. We've checked the fender rails for any signs of damage. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any water damage. No signs of any accidents on this van that we can see. So overall, very clean. Underneath the van, much of the same. It's not all rusted out. There's not a bunch of leaks, and of course there's a little bit of surface rust. But I'm telling you, no matter who you buy from, have them get out here, have them make a video like this, have them crawl underneath the van. I see these vans all the time for sale up in New York, New Jersey, Chicago. I could buy them for a dime a dozen. But I know underneath they're all rusted out. The frame's got rust holes in it. You know, not only is it very dangerous to drive, it's not going to pass an inspection in a lot of states. Tell me what happens if you buy a van that won't pass inspection in your state. That's right, they won't give you a title for it. If you can't get a title for it, you can't drive it. Don't get fooled on the internet. Anyone can make these vans look pretty in pictures. If they're gonna sell you a van, have you spend a lot of money on it, tell them to get their behinds out there and make a video for you. Buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you can see by our videos, we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run and feel the transmission shift. And you can see that whether we ship this vehicle out to you or that you come in and drive it home, that we've made sure that it's roadworthy. A little bit of traffic today, got up to about 65 miles an hour. Probably all I'm going to be able to do with this traffic. I've got the cruise control set at about 60. Cruise works fine. You can see that steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. That's exactly what we want. And folks, I know there's a lot of companies, a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Ask yourself, ask the dealer you're talking to, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? And if they don't, ask yourself, why are you doing business with them? As far as individuals, it's very risky buying from an individual. As dealers, we are governed by the state. We have to provide a proper title. There's certain standards we have to meet. You buy from an individual, you're taking a huge risk. If they don't get you a title, what are you going to do? Sue them from 3 states away for a title if they mess it up? So just beware. Also ask your other dealers, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees, freight fees? That is not how I do business. I don't quote you one price and try to sneak in $1,200 to $1,500 on the back end like a lot of these dealers do, and that's not an exaggeration. So just again, beware. Do they get out and make a video for you so you know exactly what you're getting? I've been doing this 8 years. I've never delivered a vehicle sight unseen. You see the videos? I've never had a customer call me and say, Jeremiah, this is not what I was expecting. So give it a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual vibrations, so brakes are good. Back to my point is we make these videos, they show the customer exactly what they're getting. I've never had a customer call me upset saying this is not what I expected. So we go the extra mile because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So this van's, of course, it's a little bit older, has a few miles on it, but it runs and drives nice, it looks nice, it's clean inside and out. It's been government maintained, meaning they did all the oil changes to it. Government they don't sweat the small stuff. They definitely pay for all the maintenance on these vehicles. That's why I like to buy them. So if you ever want to come out and see one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. You can also text 316-518-4377. And check out our inventory 24 hours a day at mobility316.com. That's www.mobility316.com. Our inventory is changing daily. If you see something that you like, give us a call. And if there's something you're looking for, let us help you find it. This is what I do for a living. This is what I do all day, every day. I know what to look out for. You know, I can usually find pretty good deals. So overall, we very clean van. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.